Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, we got some goodies in for the Mercury. Check her out here. RockAuto was good and I was able to catch that UPS or FedEx man as he was running down the street. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. Good old RockAuto. I'll tell you what, I didn't used to order a lot of parts, but in this day and age, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I got my universal hose remover. And let's open her up and see what we got. Oh, that's a strange one. I ain't seen that car before. We'll put him right there for now. All right. Looks like we got a radiator hose upper, radiator hose lower, a fuel pump, a shock absorber, filter. That's interesting. Hey, look at here, the UPS man just showed up too. More goodies coming. Got an air filter. And we got another hose here. That one's there. That must be the lower. Strange, that looks a lot smaller. Then we got premium filter. What is it? Oh, tranny filter. There's my tranny filter and the gasket. And a new fuel pump. Now the fuel pump that's on this car works, but this is a backup just in case. Before we get out to the no-name nationals, I'm hoping to put a couple miles on this car first, get the bugs worked out of her. Grommet kit. Ho 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 ho. Adjustable ride height kit. Is that a clue? New shocks. The adjustable kind. That's right, air shocks. I decided to go this route for the extra towing that this car might have to do. There's another stud kit. Another grommet kit. And the other air shock. The reason I went through RockAuto on these, the installation kit, we'll put right there, because through O'Reilly's, these right here, they were 120 bucks for the exact same one. This one through RockAuto was $65. So I went ahead and threw all this other stuff in because of the shipping. It worked out that way. That's the reason I did the air filter and stuff like that. I could probably get local, but you know, since it all came from the same place, I went ahead and threw it on the same order. Little tricks you learn about using RockAuto. Now I can crawl under there and change the transmission kit filter. And I got a spare fuel pump. And she's about ready. So let's get some of this stuff onto this old Mercury and get her ready for the No Name Nationals coming up. That's right, they're almost here. We're winding right down onto the numbers of days we got left, and I still got a bunch more to do on this poor old Merc. So stay tuned and see how I get the metal hot on this old Merc and get her to Sikeston to run down the drag strip. We'll catch you on the next one.